Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how I grew my hair out so long. I actually didn't even realize that my hair had gotten this long until just recently. I've been looking at my hair and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's gotten long. I know my hair is super fine. It always has been. And you could say, oh no, it's because you bleach it, or it's because the hot tools you use. But to be honest, it's hereditary. So I've actually been calling this my quarantine hair because I haven't cut my hair or trimmed it since the quarantine started. Before that, I would rarely ever get a haircut though. And when I say rarely, I mean rarely. Like, probably been a couple years since I had an actual haircut in a salon. Other than that, I just trim my hair at home. I trim it myself, or I have my husband trim it, or if I'm with my mom, I'll have my mom trim it. And it's always just like that much, like barely any. But I have not done anything like that since the quarantine started. So I'm gonna be sharing my personal tips. Now, I'm not a hairdresser, I'm not a professional. You don't have to take my advice. This is just what has personally worked for me. So the first piece of advice I have is to stop with the rubber bands. I don't know what you call them. Some people call them ponytails or hair elastics, but I call mine a rubber band. So I've actually been using these for years. And then I had read somewhere one day that these were actually bad for your hair. So I have one on me because I do like to use these when I go out to the pool, just because I like my hair up when I go into the pool. I don't like to get my hair wet all the time when I go swimming. So I use these because they're more secure when I'm out in the water and because I don't want to get my scrunchie wet. So I do have some of these on hand for particular reasons, but other than that, I only use a scrunchie. So you can use any scrunchie, but I got this one at Walmart. So the scrunchies that I use are like satin scrunchies. I think these were like sleep scrunchies. So I use these every day, like for ponytails, put my hair up in a fun bun, you name it, put my hair back out of the way, whatever. I use scrunchies a lot. Like I said, I do use these for certain times and certain reasons, but it's not that often. I stick with a scrunchie. And I also love these because they don't really leave creases in your hair. So yeah, get rid of your rubber band and switch to a scrunchie. It's better for you. Another thing I quit using was bobby pins. Bobby pins cause breakage. Now, if you're gonna do some kind of an updo or you're wanting to pull your hair back, whatever, go ahead and use your little bobby pins. Just don't use them often. I used to use them like all the time, way too much, and I quit using them. So yeah, let the bobby pins go. Another thing I've been doing all year is letting my hair air dry. I used to think that I had to wash my hair every day and blow dry it every day. And then my hair would look frizzy, so then I thought I would have to curl it every day or straighten it every day. I stopped doing all that. Occasionally, if I'm in a rush, I will blow dry the roots and then I'll let the rest air dry. Or if my hair is looking super frizzy, I will use my hair straightening brush because I feel like it's less damaging. But I stopped curling my hair and I stopped using a straightener. I also stopped blow drying my hair so often. Also stopped washing my hair every day. Like, I literally thought I had to wash it every day. I was like, oh my God, I don't like my hair dirty. I don't like it looking greasy or feeling greasy, and sometimes it wouldn't even be greasy or dirty. I just thought I had to wash it. So I stopped washing my hair every day. Sometimes I go 1 day, sometimes I go 2 days, 3 days if I can push it, use a little dry shampoo. But yeah, I stopped washing my hair every day. When I do wash my hair, this is what I've been using. I love trying out different shampoos and conditioners, but this is the set that I have literally stuck to all year. Today, my sister had asked me what I had been using to grow out my hair, and I told her some things, and by the time I got home, I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot about the shampoo. So this is from L'Oreal Paris. I get it at Walmart, and it is the Dream Lengths shampoo and conditioner. It has vitamins in it and also castor oil. This is the restoring shampoo. It visibly repairs lengths without weighing down, and it's for long damaged hair. And then this is the conditioner, which also has the castor oil and vitamins in it. and it instantly detangles to reduce breakage. So I looked it up to give you guys a little bit more information. So this has vitamins B3 and B5 in it, and it helps to strengthen long hair and helps to seal the split ends. They also have a no haircut cream leave-in treatment, which also helps to seal the split ends. And it also has heat protection in it. I haven't tried it yet, but I always see it like sitting there on the shelf beside this. It probably is a really good product, but I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, this is the shampoo I literally use every day. Another product I use every morning in my coffee. I have it in my smoothies also, but on days that I'm not having it in my smoothies, maybe I'm having avocado toast, I just put this in my coffee. I put like a teaspoon. This is from a company called Avi. This is the Super Collagen Protein Powder. It helps hair, skin, and nails. This is the birthday cupcake flavor. Right now, like for October, they're also having a pumpkin spice flavor, but this has so many different vitamins in it. It has 40 calories. It has 1 carbohydrate, 9 grams of protein. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, biotin, calcium, iron, magnesium, and some other things which I can't pronounce. But this stuff is amazing. It's delicious. You can bake with it. You can put it in your smoothies. Like I said, I put it in my coffee every morning, just a little teaspoon. I've tried almost every flavor and they are all delicious. They're all like cereal based flavors. The other ones are, there's like fruity cereal, senna cereal, cocoa cereal. This is the birthday cupcakes one though, and they're also coming out with another flavor for October for breast cancer awareness. I forget what it's called, let me tell you, but it looks so good. It's called Pink Velvet, so it's probably gonna be like a red velvet cake, but it's called Pink Velvet. So yeah, this is the Super Collagen Protein Powder. I drink it every morning. I don't use sugar or anything else in my coffee. I literally only use this. It sweetens it, it makes it delicious, and yeah, this stuff is awesome. Another product I want to tell you guys about is the IT Hair Care 12-in-1 Amazing Leave-In Treatment. Repairs, protects, and strengthens. I've told you guys about this before. I found it at Burlington, but if you can't find it at Burlington, some other people had commented before where they had found it, some other stores. If you're out there and you remember this product and where you found it, let us know in the comments down below. But yeah, it's only $3.99 at Burlington, or if you can't find it in stores, you can find it on Amazon, but it's a little more pricier. Worth it, but pricier. Looks like this. They have all kinds of different ones, but this one is my favorite. I use this every day when I get out of the shower. I spray it in my hand and I put it all over my hair, and then I brush my hair out, and then I air dry it. This is the brush I use every day. This is from Launch. It's just their regular paddle brush, but they also have a boar hair bristle one. But yeah, I brush my hair with this every day, and I also brush my hair several times a day. I am like the Marsha Brady of 2020. Yeah, you remember when she used to brush her hair and she'd count 1, 2, 3. That's me. Yeah, so I got this from Launch. It's baby pink, but I love this brush. And yeah, I just like to brush my hair. Make it nice and smooth and keep those tangles out. Next product I want to talk about is more of a leave-in treatment that I do not recommend putting it in your hair before you go out the door. This is something that they suggest to leave it on like a couple hours. I personally like to leave it on overnight. So this is from Just Nutritive. It's called Grow New Hair. I've been using this for several years now, and this is actually my second bottle. I repurchased it. It has tons of good vitamins and things in it, and it's so good for your hair. So I just apply it to my hands. I massage it into my scalp. I'll put it all over my hair, put my hair up in a bun, and then I sleep with it in. So you can sleep with it in if you want, or you can just leave it on for a couple hours and then wash it out. A little bit goes a long way. It's super oily. That's why I don't suggest putting it in your hair and walking out the door. Not a good idea. But this stuff is amazing. Like I said, this is my second bottle of it. I repurchased it with my own money. It is so good. So yeah, these are the products I use. Scrunchie, 12-in-1 amazing leave-in hair treatment. Every morning in my coffee, I have my Super Collagen Protein Powder. So good for you. And the L'Oreal Dreamlets. I think this stuff is great. Plus it has that castor oil in it, which is so good for your hair. Last but not least, and y'all's probably gonna make fun of me. Now this ain't a trim, okay, but sometimes I do this. Here's some little scissors. Sometimes I'll braid my hair when I braid my hair, I can see the split ends much better. But if you don't feel like braiding your hair, I take my finger like this and I go across. And as I'm pulling my finger, I will see the split ends and I just chop. Yep, boop, like that. Just like that. But I don't cut the length off. I have not cut my length off. I just take them little split ends, cut them off, and bam, boom, I'm done. And yeah, I know these are probably some crazy tips and y'all think I'm crazy, but girl, did you see how long my hair got? So those are the products I use, and my best advice is to just not cut your hair. Don't wash it every day. Put the hot tools down, brush it good, take care of it, drink your water, take your vitamins, do whatever you're gonna do, and don't cut it. So one more thing I wanted to mention is I stopped using regular towels on my hair. Now, if my hair towel isn't available, I'll use one of these, but I won't leave it on my hair for long. But I have been using these hair towels. Yeah, that's makeup on there. For a few years now. I get them from a company called Aquas. And this one's like a turban style, and then I have just a flat regular towel style, but these are so much better for your hair than a regular towel. And if you don't want to get a hair towel, I suggest also using a t-shirt. Yes, just a plain old t-shirt, you know, like a big white Hanes t-shirt. That will do good too, but I highly recommend these. These are awesome. It has a little button on it and the little tie so it secures it on your head. I use these every time I wash my hair. Yeah, so this is the turban style. Then I have like a flat regular one. They both work so good, but stop using a regular towel. Use a hair towel that's made specifically for your hair, or like I said, you can use a t-shirt if you ain't ready to commit to a hair towel. And those are my tips to long hair. And it's still growing. It's like growing like crazy. I really am starting to feel like a real life Rapunzel. Boop. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I get asked all the time about my hair, and I always tell y'all I'm gonna make a video on it. I'll make a video. And I've put it off and put it off, and here I am making the video for you guys. I get asked about how I keep my hair shiny, how I grow it, and all that fun stuff. So I just thought I would make this video for y'all. When it comes to the shine, I don't know. I'm gonna assume it's all of these products. I don't know. I didn't even know my hair was shiny until somebody pointed it out. Another thing, yes, I do get my hair bleached, but I only bleach my roots. So all of this is just years of bleaching. Like, this is old. This is old bleach. It ain't new. I don't ever bleach over the already bleached hairs, just the roots. But anyways, okay. I'm done yet. I know I've talked a lot, but I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope you find some of these tips useful and some of these products. I'll have a link down below if you want to check them out. I will have a link for this, the Amazon link, but like I said, it's pricey. Just look for it in the store. It's so much cheaper. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick shot of my hair just so you can see it. I know that it's thin. I mentioned that earlier. That is just hereditary, and I'm totally fine with that. I'm actually just learning to love and embrace this hair, honey, which I never did my entire life. I was always super self-conscious. I hated my thin hair. I even started wearing extensions all the time, which, mind you, I quit using a long time ago because I also felt like continuous wearing of those clips was pulling and ripping my hair. So I stopped using them. I just stopped. One day I just stopped. So yeah, this is all my hair. It's all real. I do have it dark underneath if you're wondering. I dye it myself underneath, and then I just get my roots done whenever they need to be done. So yeah. All right, I'll show you my hair now. A little front view comes all the way down to here. And that's the back. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me down below in the comments. Give this video a like if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.